The 8 you switch off 2 hours, then the 10 you switch on 4 hours. Hello everybody, this is your good Dr. Caroline, a professional medical doctor, passionate about poultry farming and striving for financial freedom. So behavior-wise, when you want to see the behavior of which one is strong, when you get into the chicken farm, they must all run away, right? Meaning they have, all of them are behaving the same. Let's see you. How are you? So, energetic. So you see they have a beautiful vent here, right? So what you're going to do is to insert this temperature monitor gently. You're just gonna do it gently.